Good day everyone, want to protect your streaming and unlock more content on your Android TV? Here's how to set up NordVPN the right way, directly on your smart TV. So on Android TV, open the Google Play Store and search for NordVPN, download it and install it. Open the NordVPN and either sign in or create a new account. You can do this directly on the TV or scan the QR code to log in via your phone. Once logged in, you'll see a list of server locations. Choose one like United States, UK, or Netherlands and hit connect. Within seconds, your Android TV will be protected by NordVPN encryption. Now open any streaming app like Netflix, YouTube, or Disney Plus and enjoy region-specific content while keeping your connection private. And that's how to set up NordVPN on Android TV in just minutes. Also guys, very important, to get a 70% off NordVPN plus a free bonus, check the link in the description below. Like and subscribe for more smart TV privacy tips and enjoy your unlocked content.